student, next topic of the chapter unit and measurement is significant figures. What do you mean by significant figures? The digits on, if we have a number and if we done a measurement, this meter 1205.00 meter means here the scale gives us in these two places 0. Got it? Otherwise we will not write here 0, we will write the measurement only 205 meter if we cannot got the 0 with the instrument. Means the significant figures are the numbers that digit give meaningful contribution to the measurement resolution. जब हम मेजरमेंट को देखें तो हमें वो डिजिट कोई मीनिंगफुल उसकी एग्जिस्टेंस जो मीनिंगफुल हो मीन्स वी ऑब्जर्व इट वी मेजर्ड इट विद एनी इंस्ट्रूमेंट दैट दिस डिजिट इज नॉन एज सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर. व्हाट आर द रूल्स टू फाइंड द सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर? All non-zeros of a number are significant figure. Got it? Suppose we have a number x 235 and another number y 4589. Then significant figure 3 for x, significant figure 1 2 3 4 for y. Got it? We will count the significant figure, the all non-digit numbers 1, 2, 3 means in this number for x we have 3 significant figure and here we will count non-zero digit 1, 2, 3, 4 means 4 significant figure for the number y. Got it? Next, second rule. Second rule is all zeros between non-zero are significant figure. All zeros between non-zeros means if we have a number x 4053 or we have a number 1002 then significant figure 1 2 3 4. Here we have 0 in between 4 and 5 non-zero 2 digit means we will consider this 0 as significant figure. Therefore there is 4 significant figure for the number x and significant figure for the number y 1 2. We have 2 non-zeros and 2 zeros but these 2 zeros in between 2 non-zeros means we will write here 4 for y. Got it? Now the next third rule. If the number is less than 1 means there will be no non-zero digit at the left side of the decimal. If the number is less than 1, then of decimal and to the left side of first non-zero are non figure. If a number is less than 1 means there is no non-zero number at the left side of decimal. Then zeros on the right side of decimal and to the left side of first digit number. Means suppose we have a number x 0.0021. Then zeros of right side of decimal to the first non-zero, left side of first non-zero means these two zeros consider as non-significant. Here the significant figures are only two. This one and this one. 1, 2. We have two significant figure only for x number. Got it? Suppose we have another number y 0.000021. Then in between decimal and first non-zero number there are 4 zeros. These 4 zeros considered not significant. But we have two non-zeros number. These two non-zeros number are significant figure 1, 2. Means there are also two significant figure for y. Got it? Here we have two zeros between first non-zero and decimal. Here we have 4 zeros between first non-zero and decimal. These 4 zeros are non-significant. These two zeros are non-significant. Got it? Now the next rule 4. Number. The terminal zero of a number without decimal are non-significant. Figure. Got it? The terminal zeros of a number without decimal, there is no decimal, are non-significant figure. Suppose we have two number x 1, 2, 4, 0, 0, 0 and other number y 2, 0, 0. Then what we have? There are here 3 terminal zeros. Here we have 2 terminal zeros. But according to rule of significant figure, these 3 zeros are not significant. And these 2 zeros are not significant. Means, suppose we have this is meter, this is in centimeter. Then significant figure 1, 2, 3. Only 3 significant figure for x and significant figure 1 for y. Got it? Now, fifth rule. The terminal zeros of a number decimal are significant figures. Suppose we have two number 1.200 and y number 25.000. Suppose we have this in meter, this in kilometer, then these zeros consider as significant figure. Why we will consider these zeros as significant figure? Because if we have not put here the decimal, then no need of zeros, but we put decimal and write the zeros, means these zeros we will find, we have find with the help of any device which can measure the 3 place of decimal in kilometers. That's why we find in that place 0 and we have written. It means the significant figure. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 for the x, and significant figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 for the y. Next and last, 6th rule. All constant and whole numbers have infinite significant figure. Suppose we have a number 2, we have a constant term, then pi, then we will consider these terms as significant figure infinity. Got it? These are the rule for the significant figures. Now we will do the rounding off.